everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Our videos are all about bringing you quick, informative and entertaining videos that you can watch on the go. Sit back and relax and let's dive into the world of technology. Apple, the world-renowned mobile company, is set to open a new store in India. Here are some facts about the tech giant and its new venture. Fact 1. Apple is one of the largest tech companies in the world with a market cap of over $2.3 trillion. Apple is second only to Saudi Aramco in terms of market value. Fact 2. India is a huge market for Apple. With a population of over 1.3 billion people, India is a key growth market for the company. Fact 3. The new store in India will be Apple's second largest store in the world. The new store is said to be located in Mumbai and will be spread over 2 floors. Fact 4. The new store will showcase Apple's latest products and technology, including the iPhone, iPad, MacBook, and Apple Watch. The customers will be able to experience the latest Apple products and receive expert advice and support from Apple's team of specialists. Fact 5. Apple is committed to sustainability and the environment. The new store in India will be powered by 100% renewable energy and will use sustainable materials and designs. So there you have it, 5 facts about Apple's new store in India. So are you excited for the new store? I hope you found it interesting and engaging. Thanks for tuning in and don't forget to like and subscribe the button, and we will see you in the next one.